What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Dig Everyday YouTube channel. Today we're starting a new pond. The dam on this pond needed to be moved back about 8 feet, 6 to 8 feet in some places, so I'm cutting it all out with the excavator and gonna grade it with the track loader. And I'm grading it up towards the street to where we can back a dump truck in, because we have to cut about 8 feet out of the whole bottom of this pond. We have to haul it all off site, so we need to be able to get a dump truck in. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna cut and grade the face of the dam and grade the top and make it nice and smooth where we can get trucks backed in and get them loaded up. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I went ahead and got that cut out all the way around to the box there, and I can't really get behind the box because the dam narrows up a lot there and I can't fit the excavator back there. So brought the loader over here, and we're probably gonna have to haul somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 truckloads out of here probably. So I figured we could kind of build a ramp there, and I'm fixing to finish it. This is where we'll back our trucks in and load. So everything we cut out, I'll start at that end whenever we start cutting out the bottom, and work everything up to this corner where I can sit here with the excavator and load the trucks, and they can take it out on the road and go up that way. So yeah, I'm going to get on this and knock this down and track it in and build us a good ramp to back the trucks in here, and get the slope worked up after that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. God bless you. Jesus loves you, and I do too. Thank you guys.